Here is how to delete contacts from your Google account. You can do this on any device, phone or computer. Start by opening any web browser. In the address bar, type contacts.google.com and sign in if necessary. Once you are in, you can select contacts individually, like this one, or select one and use drop down row to select all, like this one, and select all. Next, tap the three dots in the top right and choose delete. Then confirm by selecting move to trash. These contacts will be removed after 30 days unless you delete them manually. To permanently delete them now, tap the three lines in the top left, go to trash, then tap empty trash.